Now, PEEP can be used in large organizations very, very well, but if you need more security, you would use EAP TLS. Another thing we can use is EAP Fast. Now, EAP Fast is a little bit different. EAP Fast is based upon protected access credentials. Okay, protected access credentials. Now, in phase 0, that means before we even start this process, we need to have PAC provisioning. We need to have the credentials installed on the client and server. We can do this either through some other MS Chat or some other type of technology, but we need to have these protected access credentials in place prior to this process starting. We need to associate a specific user ID and authority ID. So the client needs a user ID and the server needs an authority ID. And this removes the need for a public key infrastructure. Once those PACs are in place, I know who I'm connecting to, they know who to expect to connect to them. We can move on to phase 1. Phase 1 is the introduction of a secure tunnel. Once we have phase 1 in place, we can use authentication. The client is authenticated via that secure tunnel. So let's go ahead and take a look at PAC creations, right? We're going to start out with PAC creation. How does this come forth? Well, first we have a PAC key, and there's a PAC opaque and PAC info. The server generates the PAC key, the PAC opaque, and the PAC info. The PAC opaque is a number, and it can be randomly sized. The PAC opaque contains the PAC key. It also contains the client user identity and the key lifetime. Does that sound familiar? Our certificate had what? The identity, it had the duration, and it had the certificate authority hash. But here, our PAC has the PAC key, so the key is included here, right there. That's dropped into the PAC opaque. The client user identity and the key lifetime, how long this key is good for. The PAC opaque is encrypted with a master key. And the PAC info contains the authority ID. Okay, so the authority ID is located in here, which is then packed into the opaque. Now we keep saying the master key. This is all of this opaque fields, these opaque fields are encrypted with the master key. Where does this master key come from? That comes from the server itself. Only the server has this master key, so the server encrypts the PAC opaque.